Are you responsible for ensuring compliance with international standards? Customers' requirements? Rules or regulations? It's not an easy task. Coordinating this work is complex, and for this reason we developed the standard app. The Metricos Suite is an easy-to-use apps platform that works in the cloud. You don't need to install anything on your computer or mobile device. You can subscribe for $17 per month. Just go to metricos.mx, press the login button, and write down your email and password. Once inside, select the standard app and start using it. The first step is to identify the standards, regulations, customer requirements, and rules that your organization must comply with. Once a standard has been identified, its requirements are associated. First, we create sections for clauses, and for subclauses when apply. We can create as many levels as necessary. The next step is adding requirements, generally described as musts. Each one is registered independently to control the progress of its fulfillment. If you have the original standard in digital format, copy and paste the paragraphs of each requirement to speed up its capture. A standard, such as ISO 14001, requires a couple of hours to transcribe. If different standards have similar requirements, we can link them together. This way, one procedure will attend to all of them. All associated standards will show the same linked requirements. Once documented the requirements, we discount those that don't apply to the organization, and associate the rest with the processes that must comply with them. Additionally, we can add comments to each requirement or clause, to guide how to document and implement the work standards needed to comply with them. Finally, it shows the total number of requirements, how many of them were associated with processes, remain unassociated, and don't apply to the organization. The process managers verify the assigned requirements, prepare and associate the work standards that will comply with them, and implement them. As they progress through this process, update their status. Once documented and implemented, a notification is sent to the standard coordinator to verify and release them. A report shows the progress of each process. It indicates the number of requirements that they must fulfill. How many of them don't have an associated work standard? The ones having one in progress. Already documented. And finally implemented. It also shows how many have been verified and validated by the standard coordinator. In the report option, we establish a due date to conclude the implementation of work standards, to be ready to receive a certification audit, or an inspection visit from an authority. A bar graph indicates the expected progress compared to each process's real progress, ordered from highest to lowest. Those on time or ahead display in green. The ones behind schedule appear in red. A linear graph displays planned progress and the actual one. It also estimates a completion date, based on the implementation pace over the last 4 weeks. It helps identify delays, and take timely corrective actions. When the revision date of a document associated with a requirement expires or its validity ends, like licenses and certificates, the progress is deducted. Then a notification is sent to the process owner to update it immediately. The requirements matrix shows the work standards associated with each requirement. It helps the coordinator identify missing documents, and show auditors how the organization complies with requirements. If you find interesting the standard app, please like this video so that other people know about it. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and visit us at Metricos.mx. If you want to try our platform, send us an email to contacto@metricos.mx and we will gladly create an account for you. We hope to see you soon.